Hi everyone! Today, let's talk about something we all want. Thicker and healthier hair. And no, it's not all about expensive products. Sometimes it starts just right from your plate. So, let's dive into the 4 food groups that will help your hair grow stronger and thicker. Number 1. Protein-rich food. Hair is mostly made up of keratin, which is a protein. So if you're not getting enough protein, your hair might grow slowly or even thin out. Examples are eggs, fish, chicken, tofu, mung beans, or munggo. These are your hair's building blocks. Number 2. Iron and zinc-rich foods. Iron helps carry oxygen to your hair roots, and zinc keeps the oil glands around your follicle healthy. Examples are spinach, malunggay, liver, lean beef, and pumpkin seeds. Even a mild iron deficiency can lead to hair shedding. Number 3. Vitamin C and antioxidants. Vitamin C helps produce collagen, which is a key component of strong hair. It also improves iron absorption. The examples are calamansi, sweet potato, oranges, guava, strawberries, and bell peppers. Your hair and your skin will thank you. Number 4. Healthy fats and omega-3. Healthy fats support scalp health and add shine and fullness to your strands. Add more avocados, salmon, walnuts, and chia seeds into your meals. So that's it. 4 food groups. Simple but powerful. Healthy hair doesn't start in the salon, it starts in the kitchen. If you found this helpful, give this a like, share with your friends, and follow for more wellness tips. This is Doc A, helping you glow from the inside out. Bye!